Are you tired of boring facts? Well, you've come to the right place. Here at Satisfact we serve up facts with a side of fun. Get ready to learn something new and laugh along the way. Honeybees can smell fear and release an alarm pheromone, like a bee version of shouting fire. This puts the whole hive on high alert. Imagine if spilling your juice at a picnic set off all your friends' alarms. The world's hottest chili pepper is so spicy, it can cause hallucinations. Spicy food tricks your brain into thinking your mouth is on fire. The Carolina Reaper is like a prankster pepper, tricking you way too hard. France has the most time zones of any country because it has territory scattered all over the globe. Imagine having to juggle homework deadlines when your best friend lives in a different time zone across the ocean. Ketchup was once sold as medicine. People thought it could cure all sorts of problems, from upset stomachs to the hiccups. Maybe they just craved a tasty snack with their medicine. If you enjoy this type of videos, consider subscribing for more. Did you know you weigh about the same as all the ants on Earth combined? It's true. Ants are strong for their size, but there are just way more of them than us. Electric eels pack a shocking punch. They can generate enough electricity to stun a horse. Imagine needing a whole power plant to make toast, that's how strong an electric eel is. Sloths take their bathroom breaks seriously. Due to their super slow digestive system, they only go once a week. Imagine only needing to take out the trash once a month, that's the sloth life. Over 97% of Earth's water is stuck in the oceans as saltwater. That's like having a giant swimming pool you can't drink from. Fresh water is like the ice cubes in that pool, much less. Most of the oxygen we breathe comes from tiny bacteria, not just plants. These little life forms are like invisible superheroes, keeping our air fresh. Woodpeckers can pack wood like crazy without getting headaches. Their tiny brains must be mounted on shock absorbers. Imagine drumming on your desk all day without feeling a thing. The hottest place on Earth isn't even in a desert. Death Valley, California holds the record, at a sizzling 134 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to fry an egg on the sidewalk. Dolphins seem to call each other by name. Their whistles might actually be a way of saying "Hey, Steve, what's up?" to their friends. The heaviest natural element is osmium, denser than even lead. Imagine a teaspoon of osmium feeling heavier than a whole grapefruit. Diamonds can form from exploding stars. The intense pressure and heat can turn space dust into sparkling gems. Imagine finding a diamond and knowing it might have traveled across the galaxy. Iceland doesn't need a standing army. They rely on NATO for defense and have a small coast guard. Imagine solving problems with diplomacy and teamwork instead of military force. Part of the Netherlands is actually below sea level. A network of dikes and pumps keeps the water out. Imagine living in a bowl-shaped city protected by a giant moat. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. That's a very fitting name for such a colorful bird. Your brain is a power-hungry organ. It uses about 20% of your body's total energy. Imagine your brain being like a supercomputer that runs on nothing but French fries. The muscles you use to blink are super fast. They can slam your eyelids shut in just 1/15th of a second. That's faster than you can say blink. The world consumes a mind-blowing amount of coffee. About 1 million cups are guzzled every minute. That's enough coffee to fill an Olympic swimming pool every single day. The world's quietest room is located at Microsoft headquarters in Washington. It's an anechoic chamber designed to absorb sound almost entirely. So, what did you learn today? Let me know in the comments what your favorite fact was, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who love learning something new. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like it. Tell me in the comments which was the most interesting fact in your opinion. See you soon.